At this video, we will learn about Sprite. We will create a character with Sprite, and shows what is the Sprite thinking about. At this video, we will imagine that the Sprite cannot do her homework assignment. To learn, you can pause the video and do one step at a time. Or you can watch the entire video, then try to make the scratch animation by yourself. To start a new project, click the Create button. Name this project as Hello Scratch. At Scratch, we have the word Sprite. Sprite is character, people, animal, food, or any object. Every time we create a new Scratch project, we will have cat sprite. We can use this cat sprite, or any other sprite. This time, we will use girl sprite. So, remove the cat sprite by clicking the cat, and click this delete button. After that, click this button to add sprite. For using girl sprite, choose people. Add a sprite named Abby. You can also use any other sprite if you want to. To add a sprite, just click on the sprite that you want. Name this sprite as Kid. Every sprite has costume for its appearance. For example, to show different appearance, click on the top left costume tab, and choose from existing costume. If we want the sprite to face to the other side, choose Flip Horizontal. Then, we will make the sprite moves, talks, or thinks. We can do that by using code blocks. Every code block is grouped by color. For this tutorial, go to purple color, and drag 3, think for 2 seconds, blocks. Drag from left to middle area. Arrange those 3 blocks by snapping the blocks each other. Then, click on one of the block and see what happened to the sprite. We can change the text in code block to change what the sprite thinks about. Why the sprite did not complete her homework. In here, we can use our imagination. Is the homework too difficult? Maybe, the girl did not have tools to finish the homework? Or even something magical happened? Maybe an evil wizard stole her books? This is your coding project, so feel free to use your imagination. For this video, we will make this sprite thinking about these. We can also change how long the sprite thinks, so other people can read the text in the sprite. For example, we will change the time for each block to 3 seconds. But for second thinking block, we will show it for 4 seconds. Now, when we click the code block, Sprite will think exactly what we type at the code block. Last, click on the yellow Events group and add code when green flag clicked at the middle area. Snap it to the top. Save our coding project by clicking this button. To run our coding project, click on this green flag. If we want to see a larger stage, click this button. And click again to go back to the Scratch workspace. Nice. We can make a simple sprite animation. Let's continue to next tutorial.